Picture a world where livestock outnumber humans fourfold and farmed cattle alone outweigh all wild mammals by 10 times. Now, imagine a mythical figure who, with a single magical gesture, erases all meat from existence and eradicates our craving for it. As soon as this happens, farm animals designated for consumption disappear, perhaps to a distant world. What unfolds in the days, years, and even eons to come? Instantly, emissions linked to food production plummet by roughly 63%. We lose our meat-derived protein and essential nutrients from the annual processing of billions of chickens, pigs, cattle, and tons of seafood. In response, our appetite for fruits, veggies, and legumes skyrockets, a diet nutritionists deem complete for a healthy lifestyle. However, initially, there's a shortage of these plant-based foods. This scarcity drives up the price of produce. In areas like Mongolia, where harsh climates impede vegetable cultivation, the sudden absence of meat leads to a dire food scarcity. Cultures deeply rooted in meat consumption face a foundational crisis. For instance, salmon-dependent tribes in the US Pacific Northwest lose not just food and income, but a core element of their religious identity. The ripple effect hits the fishing industry, threatening millions of jobs already endangered by decreasing fish stocks. As the meat sector crumbles, many in developing nations struggle to replace incomes previously earned from livestock farming. Some meat producers pivot to crop farming, reducing the risk of respiratory diseases linked to animal husbandry for workers and nearby residents. As agriculture grows, food prices eventually drop, making a vegetarian lifestyle more affordable worldwide. Interestingly, we don't need extra land for this surge in crop cultivation. The land previously used for animal feed becomes available. Overall, our new plant-based diets demand less land and water. This shift prevents millions of deaths annually, partly thanks to reduced rates of heart disease, cancer, and other red meat-related ailments. We're also spared from pathogens originating in wild hunted animals, influenza from pigs, and antibiotic-resistant bacteria from cattle. Over time, global biodiversity flourishes as agricultural stressors like habitat destruction and pesticide use diminish. Amazonian birds enjoy expanded forests, cheetahs face fewer threats near livestock, and insect populations like bees and butterflies thrive, boosting crop pollination and yields. Many ocean species recover from overfishing. Historically, some human populations have developed genetic adaptations for more efficient plant-based fat metabolism. Given millennia, our species might evolve further to optimize a vegetarian diet, or we might lose certain meat-digesting abilities. However, no wizard will transform our world into a meat-free one. While individual choices towards vegetarianism are increasing, global meat consumption continues to rise, posing a significant climate challenge. Even eliminating fossil fuel use won't counteract the impact of current food systems and a growing population, which could push global temperatures above 1.5 degrees Celsius by century's end. Cattle farming, especially beef and dairy, is a major contributor to food-related emissions, yet provides a minimal portion of global calories. Surprisingly, diets with small amounts of chicken can be more eco-friendly than vegetarian diets heavy in dairy. Cutting down on beef, cheese, and milk could bring us closer to the environmental benefits of a meat-free world without needing any magic.